Was my silence the announcement of the end of all this? Hi everyone, I know I've been away for some time. I needed a break, but I sincerely didn't think it will last this long. Basically, I needed some time for myself, some time to focus on my work. I did travel a little bit, but I didn't find the time, the people to actually film interesting content for this channel. A little bit more than a year now, filming and sharing content on this channel almost every week. And here we are now with a rather small community compared to other YouTubers and photographers, but a huge one for me. YouTube has never been a career goal for me, so knowing that every week thousands of people are tuning in to watch my videos is amazing. I'm not a YouTuber or a vlogger, I don't even know what that stands for, but I'm a photographer, I'm an image maker that just wants to share a bit of his knowledge with you. So will I continue to do so, or was my silence the announcement of the end of all this? Of course I will continue, and I will continue for at least one more year. My career right now is changing a lot, but I guess I will share this with you guys with future videos that are coming. Yes, they are coming starting next week. So this is absolutely not the end, but my career stays my priority. When things are coming up, stay tuned. My blog will also be back next week. And if you want to know exactly where I am right now, what I'm working on at the moment, please consider following me on Instagram. Again, thank you all for your support so far. I hope you had a fantastic summer. I know I did. I guess we'll see each other next week, but until then, please have a good one.